Welcome back to GearStorm, where we dive into the cars that define power, performance, and presence on the road. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, a muscle car that continues to push boundaries while staying true to its heritage. The Hellcat has always been about raw power and aggressive styling, and the 2026 version takes things even further with refined design elements, a tech-packed interior, and an updated performance package that keeps it at the top of the muscle car game. Starting at the front, the Hellcat looks as intimidating as ever. The wide, low stance is complemented by a redesigned grille that incorporates more aerodynamic detailing without losing that iconic Challenger face. The dual air intakes on the hood are larger, feeding the beast under the hood while giving the car its trademark menacing look. Slimmer LED headlights with a more angular design integrate seamlessly with the grille, giving it a modern touch while retaining its muscle car identity. The front bumper has sharper lines and larger vents, designed not just for style but for cooling and airflow management at high speeds. Moving to the side profile, the Hellcat's broad shoulders and long hood remain instantly recognizable. The body sits wider than the standard Challenger, emphasizing its track-ready stance. The sculpted lines along the doors flow toward the rear fenders, giving it a muscular and athletic appearance. Standard 20-inch forged wheels are wrapped in performance tires, with options for even more aggressive track-focused setups. Subtle Hellcat badging on the fenders reminds everyone that this isn't just any Challenger, it's the one built to dominate. Step inside, and the 2026 Hellcat surprises with a balance of comfort and aggression. The cabin is driver-focused, with heavily bolstered sport seats wrapped in leather and suede, offering both luxury and support during spirited driving. The dashboard features a massive digital cluster customizable to show performance data like G-forces, lap times, and boost pressure. At the center sits a large Uconnect infotainment system with wireless connectivity, navigation, and track apps that allow drivers to monitor and tweak performance settings. Red accents, carbon fiber trim, and a flat-bottom steering wheel remind you that this is a serious performance machine. At the back, the design keeps its bold Challenger DNA intact. A subtle lip spoiler, full-width LED taillights, and a more sculpted bumper with quad exhaust tips give it a refined yet aggressive finish. Every element screams muscle car, but with a touch of modern polish. Under the hood is where the magic happens. The 2026 Hellcat is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, now pushing out over 820 horsepower thanks to tuning refinements and upgraded cooling systems. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic or optional manual, the Hellcat rockets from 0 to 60 in just about 3.2 seconds. It's loud, it's raw, and it's unapologetically powerful. The suspension has been updated for sharper handling, while Brembo brakes ensure you can rein all that power back in. Pricing for the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat starts around $75,000, climbing higher for special editions and track-focused packages. For anyone looking for old-school American muscle with modern technology and extreme horsepower, the Hellcat continues to be the ultimate choice. That wraps up the review of the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, a car that proves muscle is alive and well. Do you think this is the ultimate muscle car of the decade? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to GearStorm for more deep dive reviews into the cars that matter most.